Welcome to Raghava Creation. Maths is easy. Do subscribe our channel to learn maths in an easy and interesting way. Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn about information processing, which is chapter 6 of term 1, and we are going to see exercise 6.1 in that. So let's see what is there in it. Today in information processing, you are going to learn about systematic listing, then Sudoku, magic triangle, magic squares and magic circles. Okay, come on, let's go into exercise 6.1, sum number 1. I'm moving straight away into the exercise because nothing more of explanation is needed for the topic. So the first question is, suppose you have two shirts, one in black and the other one in blue. Three shirts which are in white, blue and red. You again wish to make different combinations, but you always want to make sure that the shorts and shirt that you wear are of different colors. List and check how many combinations are possible now. So you have shorts which are black and blue in color, shirts white, blue and red. So the possible combinations will be black and white, black and blue, black and red, blue and white, blue and blue, and blue and red. So the possible combinations are given below: black and white, black and blue, black and red, black and white, and blue and red. So when you see the question, you have, when you wish, make different combinations, but you want to make sure that the shorts and shirt that you wear are of different colors. So blue and blue is excluded in the given list. Let's move to sum number 2. You have 2 red and 2 blue blocks. How many different towers can you build that are 4 blocks high using these blocks? List all the possibilities. So red blocks, we'll take it as R and R. Blue blocks are taken as BB. So the possible arrangements are RR, BB, blue blue, red red. Then you have alternate ways: RB, RB, blue red, blue red. And then we have red down and above, and similarly blue down and above, BRRB. Sum number 3 is, in the following magic triangle, arrange the numbers from 1 to 6 so that you get the same sum on all its sides. So you have the triangle. So let's draw the triangle and place the numbers 1, 2 and 3 in the middle of the triangles. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then let's place 4 and 4, 5 and 6 on the corners of the triangle or the vertices of the triangle. So you have 4, 5 and 6. So you place 4 between the 3 and 2, the greatest numbers. Then we'll place 5 between 1 and 3 and 6 between 1 and 2. So we got the magic triangle, and when we have to add the sides, we are supposed to get the same answer. So 6 plus 1 plus 5 is 12. Then you have 6 plus 2 plus 4 is also 12, and 5 plus 3 plus 4 is also 12. So here we got the answer for the triangle. So next, sum number 5. Using the numbers from 1 to 9, can you form a magic triangle? So there is the answer for the magic triangle. So let's draw the triangle first with 9 values. Then let's place number 1, 2 and 3 on the vertices. So you have 1, 2, 3. Then we'll place 4, 5 and 6. So you have 4, 5, 6 followed by 7. Next to 6 we will write 7. And then next to 4 we will write 8. And next to 5 we will write 9. So you get 7, 8 and 9. The next question there is, how many magic triangles can be formed? So you can form 5 such triangles. And here in the magic triangle, when you add each side, you get the answer to be the same. So you can have 5 different ways. And the third question there is, what are the sums of the sides of the magic triangle? So for the given sum, when you add, you get 17. So for the other 5 possible triangles, you get 19, you get 20, you get 21, and you get 23. So here for this sum, you add up to everything, you get 17. So now we'll move on to the fifth sum. Arrange the odd numbers from 1 to 17 without repetition to get the sum of 30 on each side of the given triangle. So the magic triangle is here, and start placing the numbers in the vertices of the triangle. So 1, 3 and 5 will be placed there. Then followed by 7, 9, 11 on either betweens, and then 13, 15 and 17, which completes the magic triangle. And when you add, you get their sum to be 30 on all the sides. Sum number 6. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the circle so that each straight line of 3 numbers add up to the same total. So there you have the circle. So now if you place the number 7 in the center of the circle, then we can place the other numbers around on the line. Because when you add 6 and 1, you get 7, 5 and 2, you get 7, 4 and 3, you get 7. So let's place the number 7 in the middle. And then we will pair the numbers on the number line. So you get 7 in the middle, 1, 2 and 3 for each line. And then pair it up with the numbers. 3 is paired with 4, 2 is paired with 5 and 1 is paired with 7. So when you add all the 3 lines, you get to be, total will be the same. Total will be 14 for each line. Now we'll go to sum number 7. Place the number 1 to 12 in the 12th circle so that the sum of the numbers in each of the 6 lines of the star is 26. Use each number from 1 to 12 exactly once. Find more possible ways, and there you have the answer. So when you add the numbers on the 6 lines of the star, your answer will be added to 26. So you have more possible ways also of doing the same sum. Sum number 8. How many triangles are there in each of the following figures? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then center one 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you have 12 triangles formed. The second figure, you have 32 triangles. Third one, you have 16 triangles. And the last one, 35 triangles are there. Sum number 9. Find the number of dots in the 10th figure of the following pattern. So in the first pattern, you have 1, then you have 3, then you have 5, 6 you have, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then next one, you have 16. So the pattern is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. So the 10th pattern will be, here the pattern is 1, 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. The 10th pattern will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So when you add them, you get the answer to be 55. So the second pattern, you have 1 dot, then you have 4 dots, 9 dots, 16, 25. So these are all look like the square number. So the 10th pattern will be 10 squared, which is 10 into 10 is 100. Sum number 10. Draw the next patterns. The first pattern has 2 dots, second pattern has 2, then 3, then third pattern has 2, 3, 4. So the next pattern will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Prepare a table for the number of dots used for each pattern. So for each pattern, pattern 1 you have 2, pattern 2 you have 5, pattern 3 you have 9 dots and pattern 4 you have 14 dots. So explain the pattern. So first pattern is 2, second pattern is 2 plus 3, third pattern is 2 plus 3 plus 4, fourth pattern is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So find the number of dots in 25th pattern. So in the 25th pattern, the dots will be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till plus 26. It starts with 2 and it ends up with 26. So when you add, the total will be 350. So you get your answer to be 350. So let's move on to the next sum. Sum number 11. Count the number of squares in each of the following figures. The first one has 20 squares. The second one has 10 squares. How many circles are there in the following figure? You have 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and center 7. And then how many straight lines are there? Used in the forming of the following figures. So when you count the first one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have 10 straight lines and in the next one you have 12 straight lines. And there we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching Raghava Creations. Do subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you for watching Raghava Creation. Max is easy. Hope this video was useful for you.